Okay, so my real accent is American. No, it's not. Your real accent is Scottish. Don't tell lies. No, my darling, no. No, my real accent is Devonshire. That's what it is. I'm from Devon, innit? Darling, I don't know why I keep doing that. Like, you know it ain't that. Your real accent's Cockney. No, my real accent's Brummie. I'm from Birmingham. What are you talking about? You're fucking not. You're a Scouser. Don't do that. Your real accent's a Scouse accent. No, my real accent's Welsh. I'm from Wales. My real accent is Wales. No, darling, no. My real accent, it absolutely is British RP. That's what it is. No, it is not. Your real accent is American. It is not. You come from the South, honey, so don't be doing that. My real accent is a Southern accent. No, it's not. Yeah, real accent is a Jamaican accent. What you talking about now? No, my real accent is Scottish. It is. This is my real accent. It's Scottish. I don't know. Which accent suits me best? I don't know, babes. I've got favourites, do you know what I mean? But, like, you tell me, which one's your favourite?